Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to complete the Native Americans digital activity. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the file, the Native Americans digital activity file. There's one that's without clip art. There's also another Microsoft PowerPoint file that does have clip art. The one that has the clip art, you're not able to change the images, so if you try to click on the little people or click on the objects in the picture, you can't change those. Those are already there. What you're able to do is change the text. So you're going to start on the first slide that says all about Native Americans, and you see it says bye, and then it says type your name here. You're going to click where it says type your name here, and I'm going to use my backspace and take away where it said type your name here and put in my name, by Mary, and then I click off of that, and now I have by Mary. Then I'm going to go to my next slide for tribe, and I'm going to type the name of the tribe here. I'm going to click right by the here, backspace, and let's say that I'm working with the Pawnee tribe. If I want to change the size of the text or the color or the font, I just click and hold my mouse down to highlight it, and I go up here. This is where my font choices are. This is where the size is. It's still highlighted. I'm going to make it a lot bigger. And then right over here where the A is and it's underlined with a color, I can pick my font color. So maybe I want to do blue, and now I click off, and now I have my tribe name. Then I would go ahead and continue on with the rest of the slides. The only slide that's a little bit different in this activity is the last slide, slide number 10, where I'm comparing my two tribes. So I need to pick two tribes to compare. Where it says type tribe name here, I'm going to put my cursor right after the here, backspace, and then I'm going to type the name of the first tribe. I'm using a Venn diagram to compare. So I'm going to compare the Pawnee, and then I'm going to click over here, and I'm going to put my cursor and backspace, and I'm going to compare the Pawnee tribe to the Inuit tribe. Now I have my two tribe names, and again, if I wanted to, I could click them and highlight them, and I could change my colors. I could change my size. And then I'm going to click and I'm going to type inside of the Venn diagram. So if I'm going to put a fact about the Inuit that's different from the Pawnee, I would just click in there, backspace, and type here. And maybe I'm going to say cold climate. And then I click off of it. So you're going to do the same thing as the other slides. You're going to keep typing. Where it says you can continue to change the colors or the font size. And then when you're all finished, don't forget to save your work by going to File and Save or clicking on the Save icon. If you're working in the file that doesn't have the clip art, you're going to do the same thing by clicking, and your text box appears, and you're going to use the backspace to type in your words. If you are using Google Slides instead of Microsoft PowerPoint, it's pretty much the same thing. You would open your presentation in Google Slides, and then you would just start by clicking. The text box has a blue outline, and then backspace, and typing just like you did in the PowerPoint presentation. So the Google Slides are very similar to the PowerPoint slides. You just depends on what file your teacher has asked you to use. So I hope this was helpful for you and your students, and I hope that you have fun working on your Native Americans digital activity. Thanks so much.